Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study law for CMA Final. First, understand the examination structure and weightage. Welcome to this guide on mastering law for your CMA Final examination. This video will provide a step-by-step approach to help you prepare effectively and confidently. We will cover everything from understanding the syllabus to acing your final revision. By following these proven strategies, you can significantly enhance your chances of success. Let's dive in and equip you with the knowledge to excel in this crucial subject. Now, let's delve deeper into your syllabus and study materials. Begin by prioritizing topics that frequently appear in examinations, often carrying significant marks. Develop a realistic study timetable, perhaps allocating 2 to 3 hours daily for law. Always refer to the official institute study material first, as it aligns perfectly with the examination's scope. Supplement this with 1 or 2 reliable reference books for deeper understanding. Next, let's explore smart study techniques to maximize your learning. Instead of passive reading, actively recall information by explaining concepts aloud or writing short summaries. Consistent revision is key. Aim for at least 3 review cycles before the exam. Dedicate time to solving numerous past examination questions and case studies. This practice helps you understand the application of legal principles and improves your answer writing skills. Finally, let's discuss your exam strategy and crucial final revision. Take at least 3 to 5 full-length mock tests to familiarize yourself with the exam pattern and manage your time effectively. After each mock, thoroughly analyze your answers to pinpoint areas needing improvement. In the final days, concentrate on a rapid review of essential legal provisions, critical sections, and high-weightage topics. Stay calm and confident. Your hard work will pay off.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.